my God! Oh my God! Good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm going on an adventure that I know, but yeah, I'm here. I want you to come with me, guys, so that we make this adventure together. Now I'm in a taxi. I'm in a building. So we're going to get there and see how we're going to All right. Okay, guys. So I've just dropped off Mabaweni Growth Point. Yeah. So this place is called Mabaweni Growth Point, and this is it. This is the growth point. So my biggest barrier right now is language. Language, you know how it is when you don't speak the local language, it becomes even hard. So yeah, but we'll see kuti angikhulumi manje. Yeah, but when you come back. When you come back. When? Today. I'm coming back today. So I will see you here. Will you be here? Yeah. Okay. But so you say time you will be here? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Yes. But you need it. Yes, I'll come back and yeah. If I find you here, I will buy. Yeah. I understand. Thank you, Baba. Yeah. Thank you. How much is me? 10 rand. 10 rand. Okay. Do you have change for dollar? For dollar? Yeah. Guys, I'm buying my snacks for the road. It's our right. A problem okay. But that $30. Manje. $30. Iwe unofusa. Fuel ndiye tuchese kuti tiende. Yeah. $30. So guys, for us to get to the falls, to hire this cab, to put up something like $40. Put it in. So yeah, my one. Yes. Snakes for the road. Guys, there's just something about this area. It's just so peaceful. So mota dzinotiendesa kuLumene Falls dzishoma. So dziri dzishoma kudaro dzinodhura. It's like $5 to get to Lumene, and motikari dzacho dzinozara nevanhu 6, 7, 8, right? So yeah, it now becomes a challenge financially. So now I'm just going to try and hike pakona pane road inoitendesa ikoko, hoping that we'll find something with 4 wheels, at least 2. Chinongokwanisa kuti move from one place, because from here to the falls 25 kilometers. Yeah, it's 25 km. So we're just going to see how we can do it. Yeah. So we are here. This is the route that I'm supposed to be taking, guys, to Lumene Falls. So yeah, I thought this was the road that was supposed to lead me to Lumene Falls, but now I'm just being told, because you know, the road don't go to fit up my shops. So now I'm going to ona kuti tokwira here kana kuti. Unfortunately, apafambi ke guys, because it's like 25 kilometers. Yeah. In my other life, I'm a runner, but not today. Yeah. Okay, so guys, now we are going to Lumene Falls. So Malume is taking us there, and these people are fighting me because I can't speak, especially. Saka is fighting me because if I can't speak Ndebele. What are you doing? So he's saying I should speak Ndebele because I'm in Matebelele, but I don't know how to speak Ndebele. I am trying, you know. So that's the situation. But yeah, Malume is taking us to Limele Falls. Lumene Falls. Lumene, okay. Oh my God. I don't know my donkey, guys. Oh my God. What is that? Hi. Yeah. Serious? Every time I pay. Mlamboi. Oh my God, guys, look at this place. Look at this. So this is called Nsese River. It's here in Bulawayo, guys. Look at this. Oh my God, this place is amazing. This river is nice. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Oh my God. So right now I'm still on my way to Lumene Falls. And yeah, look at it, guys.